Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing on our topic is what is Git, and we can see some of the comments in a Git. First of all, what is Git? Git is a version controlling tool and a source code management tool. It is mainly using for the developers and developers, engineer, testers. Most of the IT fields who is working in IT sector, everyone using the Git in a life in their life. So Git mainly using it is a distributed version controlling system and it helps the developers and manage and track the changes in their code. Purpose we mainly using the Git. Git keeps track the every changes made in the files, and also we can go to the back to the previous version also if needed. Anything required, it will go to that is possible. And also if your project breaks after changes, we can restore the older working version also. It is possible in Git. And also multiple developers can work on the same project at the same time. Git manage and merge their work without overwriting each other code. Also it is possible. And also easy to share code with the teammates. Also possible in Git. Git mainly there are two types of version control available in a Git. One is centralized version controlling. Second one is distributed version controlling. Centralized version controlling is already deprecated. No one using right now in the market. Right now, everyone using distributed version controlling using in the market. This is the theory about the Git, and also we can see now practical how we can use Git some of the commands using. First of all, I'm creating the one folder. I'm creating the one folder here. I'm creating folder name. I can give folder first of all. I'm giving folder name in anything. I'm giving just sample project. If you give anything for your requirement, you can give anything. Open this folder. I'm creating a folder inside. Creating some of the files here. I'm giving file one. Just I'm creating multiple files here. Just I'm changing the names. So I'm created the five files here. So this is a normal folder right now. First one I want to open the Git bash. Git is a tool. Git bash is a terminal. So I'm going in the show more option. I'm opening Git bash here. This is the location I want to open Git bash here. I want to first of all I want to configure the my username and mail ID. Why we can configure the username and mail ID means who is the committing the code, who doing changes everything. We'll get to know the idea purpose. We can idea purpose we can use the configure the username and mail ID. So first of all I'm configure the username. Um, Already here is a command is there config command. Um, this is a one-time activity. No need to require every time. Every time, just one time you can configure. Second time is not required. Directly open use your commands. So I'm giving username and mail just I want to check this is config or not. I'm using git config hyphen global hyphen list. See my username and my email ID both are should be configured successfully. This is I'm giving mail is a dummy. If you want, you can use your email ID or office mail ID, whatever you need your command. This I'm right now I'm configured the username and mail is successfully done. Just I want to clear this data. Just I'm using clear command. So right now this is a sample project. Is a sample project is a normal folder right now. I want to convert this folder is a working directory. How we can convert this a working directory? Just one command git init. You can see here is everything. There are five files only. Right now I'm using git init. Press the enter now. See now git folder is created now here. This is now is a not a normal. This is not a normal folder right now. It is a working directory right now. These files are there are different types of files is there. In a gate there are there are three stages. One is untracked section, second one is staging area, third one is a local repository. Right now our five is means our five files in a untracked section. If I was moved to the staging area to local repository. There is no directly move to the untagged section to local repository. It is not possible. We want to move the untagged section to staging area to local repository to the possible. How we can move to the now untagged section to staging? How we can move? You can see now. Git, yeah, we can use file name. Which file I want to untagged section to staging area? I want to move to file one. Then you file one dot txt. See this file now untagged section to staging area it moved. How we can check the moved or not? We can use the command like git status. We can check the status. See this file is moving to the untagged section staging area. So that is showing a green color. Remaining remaining files are showing is red color. This means these files are still in a untagged section. Untagged section. So this file one is a staging area right now. So that reason is showing is a green color. So remaining files are showing is a red color. These right now, this red color means there are untagged section right now. I want to move all files at a time. It is possible. We can use one command. Git add space dot. Press the enter. See, you can check the status. Git now all files are in staging area. See, every file should be file one, file two, file three, file five. All files in a staging area right now. All files right now in staging area. I want to staging area to move to the local repository. How we can do that? Just one command. Git commit. Git commit hyphen m. M is message. We can give any message. I'm giving is a first commit. You can give any commit. Just meaningful I'm giving is a first commit. Press the enter. See now first file one, file two, file three, file four, file five. Everything moving to the staging area to local repository is done. How we can check is a how we can check how we can check the staging area is empty or not. We can use git status. Sorry. See, we can commit the git status. Working tree is clean. Means staging area everything is clean. So staging everything is clean. How we can check the local repository? What are the files we can commit is commit? How we can check the local repository? How many commits happen or not? How we can check the command git log. Git log. This is the first commit is completed successfully. This is the commit ID. This is the commit ID. This is the by default branch is a master. We can discuss later class what is master head. We can later class we can see that. Okay. We can now we are right now we are under section staging area we moved staging area to local repository also we are done. And also we can create some more files and we can check once again. I'm creating one more two files here. I'm creating file 6 file and file 7. And create two more files I'm newly created here. These files right now untagged section. I want to move to the staging area, staging to the local repository. How we can move git add hyphen dot. See, this command is done. We can check the status. This file 1, file 6, file 7 is right now in the staging area. I'm staging area to move to the local repository. How we can do that? Git commit hyphen m. M is message. I'm giving is a second. File 6, file 7 is also done. How we can check the status? Staging is empty or not? We can check the status. See, working tree is clean. How many commits completed or not? How we can check it? Log. The first commit is a older commit. Second commit is the latest one. This is the commit ID for latest one. This is the first commit is commit ID. This all the also we can see the these are showing a list of lines. We want to see the one line also, it is possible. Git log hyphen hyphen one line. See, this is the first commit, second commit. This is the we can see 4985. Here is the 4985. They are showing the first letters. This is the ID. It's showing not fully. It's showing the off. And also these are 6851C. So these are the showing the commit ID. It's not showing full ID. So like that way we can see the comments in a Git. These are some of the comments. Later class we can see the more comments about the Git. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.